Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to obtain your Microsoft Forms ID in under 5 minutes. Whether you are an expert or a beginner, this tutorial is designed to help you easily find this ID, which is essential for advanced customizations and various integrations. Start by opening the Microsoft Forms website. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface where all your form management happens. To proceed, you must log into your account. Click the Sign In button to access your personal forms and data. On the Sign In page, enter the email address linked to your Microsoft account. This ensures you are working within the correct workspace. After typing your email, hit the Next button. For security, you will then need to provide your password. This step is vital for keeping your account and data protected. Once you have entered your password, click Next again to finish the authentication. You will now arrive at your main dashboard, which acts as your control center. From here, you can build new forms, check results, or select the specific form you are working with. Click on the desired form to open its overview. While this page allows you to edit or share, your focus should be on the browser's address bar at the top. The URL displayed in the address bar contains your form's unique ID. This string of characters is necessary if you plan to embed the form into a site or use it in automated workflows. Look closely at the URL structure for the segment following the /mid equals tag. That specific sequence is the ID you need. You have now successfully located your Microsoft Forms ID. This unique identifier opens up many possibilities for automation and integration. Navigating the platform to find this information is simple once you know where to look. I hope this tutorial makes the process easy for you. Good luck with your form creation.